Unleash your creativity with your micro welder, episode 5. Today, I will show you how to create and weld this magnetic chain ring. First, you want a magnetic clasp made with earth magnet so that it's very strong, like this. And then we're going to measure chain and weld. So here we go. So in the measuring, first what I do is I use one side with the jump ring like this, and I hook it onto one side of this. And basically, we're going to just mock it up. And this is so sticky that it stays with the pliers. So we have one side, and then what I'm going to do is measure how it's going to be on the other side. And what I do is figure out the length. But, you know, there's standard sizes for most people. Size 7 is a popular one. But basically, I want it here. And you don't have to worry about the knuckle going over because this can open. So, oops. What I'm going to do first is I can also do this. Measure like such. And I think this is going to be fairly good, like this. So I'm going to cut and then weld. Okay, so I've measured, but what you can do is cut one link extra and then mock it up to make sure. And what I do is make sure that it's all good. Okay. I think it's going to be good because what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try to open. So the other thing is you can mock it up, open this, and see if that works. So the ring is going to look like that, and I'm going to weld it. Now I am ready to weld. Make sure I focus so you can see. I have 24 gauge jump rings here, 3 mm, and I'm using 6 watt power. Okay, and that looks good. We always should check. It's a little bit tougher this time because this is sticking to the pliers. So here you go. Now, I decided to use 7 watt power, and it's a little bit flat topping there, but don't worry too much because if it bothers you, you can always straighten things out. But whatever the amount of power you use, you just want to make sure that it is secure. This is really interesting. Look at this. This is very strong and it jumps. I don't know why I find that so entertaining, but here is a ring that doubles up as a placeholder. Here you go. And here is the finished ring. It is attractive and very comfortable. The best part is that it can double as a drink marker at cocktail parties. So you will stay safe and never mix up someone else's drink for yours again. I hope you found that episode to be interesting. And if you did, Please like and subscribe and comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And actually, it helps the algorithm. I'm a wholesaler of premium quality chains and findings, as well as micro welders. I'm going to leave a note below, a little bit more information about our company and what you've seen in this video.